Hello, this is Dewey Melly from Hannah, Montana. It's on HolidayVillageMall.com. And today is Thursday, April 18th, 2019. And this is looking at your Turbo X stream from 2004. And let's go to get started. So this is going to come from LeapFrog logo on it. See the title. You got the menu. Twist, slam, the buttons are on and off, and that's it. So I wonder if that's still that way. This is your grade 1 cartridge. You have to see that way. Which is copyrighted from 2004. And you can see here is that I might have to see that way. And let's look what I just did and everything in. Let's see how it works. Let's see, you get this main menu. So this makes I have to do it. Well, here we go. I'll just do my best. Let's see how it works. So we got this here, got the cartridge out. Yeah. Alright, let's get the cartridge in. Hold on. Alright, this is I got your cartridge ready. So are you ready? Let's get games begin. 3, 2. Unless you about that. Okay, I'll take 2. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go!
Grade 1 cartridge. Turbo Extreme. Welcome back. Turbo has 6 keys. Let's go earn some more.
Alright, we got your 7 keys yet. So I'm going to got your new games like
to choose a game.
Like
Beat the clock.
And
Bonanza. Play with your friends.
Okay. Let me do Bonanza.
To choose a game. Welcome to
Bonanza.
There are 6 rounds. The player with the most bananas wins. Welcome to Bonanza.
I like this replay better.
There are 6 rounds. The player with the most bananas wins. Are you ready? Slam. How many players? Twist to choose 2, 3, or 4 players. 2 players. All right.
I'll do 2 player.
Let's go bonanzas. Round 1. Each question is worth 250 bananas. Twist, slam to stop it. The spinner lands on math. For this round, player 1, you're up. 9 plus 0 plus 3 equals what? Twist for choices. What's next? 12. Player 2, you're up. Slam to start. 85 plus 3 equals what? Twist for choices.
Oh, we got the you see that way.
All right.
I just have to worry about that.
Bonanza. Play with your friends. Time to change your battery.
What the? stupid batteries.
Hazard spelling. Hazard math.
Alright, you guys get to see that way.
Clear your high score.
Oops.
You need hazard.
I guess I don't have to worry about this one.
What would you like to do? Instructions. Instructions. Slam to grab the numbers. Press the right and left arrows to walk. Twist up or press the up arrow to jump. Twist down or press the down arrow to duck. Twist down and press the right or left arrows to crawl. You need 3. Hall of Doors. Welcome to the Hall of Doors. You have 16,375 points. That's 6 keys. Slam to play. Slam to open a door. You need 3,625 more points for the key to this door. Play games to earn more keys. Slam to open it. Twist it while you visit the Funky Monkey.
Boogie.
Slam to open a door.
What do I expect now?
See you next time.
Alright, let's check your manual. This is the Parent's Guide, Grade 1. So I can see that way. Oh, the next, pretty soon, you have to be Grade 2, 3, and 4. Write your note. Is the you see that way? Oh, let's go. Oh, there you go. Each thing comes halfway. Beat the clock. This is how do you play. This is Bonanza, and this is Bonanza. How to play rounder, right round, spinner wheel, and scoreboard. Oh, be careful not to get caught with the hot banana. Let's get some spellings, like grade 1. Yeah, buddy. That's pretty cool. So that's for something. There's the getting started with Turbo Extreme. Number 1, insert the cartridge into the cartridge slot. Number 2, turn the power on. And number 3, use the twist dial or up down arrows to select the game. The new games Beat the Clock and Bonanza appear at the beginning of the game list. So that is it. Okay, let's close out it there. There we go. This is Julie Melly signing off on April 18, 2019. Goodbye.